Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope that you are all doing awesome. In this video we will talk about a lighter which is used for smoking. So lighters are smokers what sunlight is to trees. But lighters are not merely used to light cigarettes. They are also they are also quite common at any part that involves a cake tug with candles. However, have you ever wondered how letters produce a flame so perfectly ovate as if it materializes from a candle out of thin air? So here is the answer. The first letter aspect is obvious. The fire produced as the result of the combustion of a fuel. The latter is nothing but a vessel for this fuel. One of the very first lighters whose, whose invention is credited to a quirky German chemist named Johann Dobrenner, stored hydrogen gas. The gas has a gaseous product of a chemical reaction would waft over a heated platinum catalyst could set which would set it ablaze. The flame was gentle but exuded an unpleasant odor. Still, Jonan's invention made igniting fires to cook food or burn pipes extremely quick and convenient. His inventions commer- commercialization saw him earn a fortune around the late 19th century. He apparently sold over 1 million of these letters. The modern letter, the modern letter could not have been born if Austrian chemist Karl or von Welsbach had not invented for cerium, an alloy of iron and cerium, a rare metal that emanates spark when oxidized rapidly. One way to achieve this is to strike it against an object. The sparks which reach temperature to up to 3000 degrees Celsius can be used to ignite lighter fuels and cutting torches. The phenomena is here. The metallic wheel on lighter, when pushed down by one's thumb, will rub against the for serum to produce a scorching spark. Simultaneously, a valve opens from from the opens from the opens from which the butane is released, which is vaporized as soon as the exits the container. The spark is produced just above the wall, which then then simply ignites the plume of gas. The result is an innovative trinique flame. The clippers or repos that implement this mechanism are a delight for an aesthete, but are also more expensive. Cheaper later use a material that convert mechanical energy to electric energy. Unlike for serum, to a material is not pyrotechnic technique, but its electric resistance changes when it is defined by mechanical freezes. The invention of a lighter is regarded to be as crucial to the progress of our civilization as the invention of the wheel. Perhaps even more important, without fire, cooking food would have been impossible, without which we could have been unable to kill its harmful germs and leverage its nutrients. It's no wonder that Stephen Fry believes the latter to be our greatest gadget. It allowed us to summon a member of the pantheon at our whim, or as Fry said, with merely the flick of our finger. So this is for this video, guys. If you like this video, please like our video. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.